The timing belt, also known as the cam belt, is a critical component in your engine. It connects and controls the timing and operation of many of the engine's major internal parts, such as the camshaft, crankshaft and valves. Like tyres, timing belts also wear gradually over time. If they aren't serviced properly and replaced at regular intervals, they will wear down to the point where they end up losing the ability to grip and can slip. This affects the timing of the engine and can cause the valves and pistons to come into contact with the cylinder head, which could lead to engine failure. If this were to happen, it will result in a very expensive repair bill. But timing belts can also fail prematurely if one of the following occurs. If the belt was incorrectly tensioned when fitted. If the belt has become contaminated with grit, oil, coolant or other materials. The belt or associated parts are substandard or faulty. The timing belt cover has been fitted incorrectly. Here at your local Renault dealer, our technicians are fully trained for your vehicle and will only use Renault-specific tooling. We can also help you plan when it comes to getting your timing belt replaced, usually every 72,000 miles or 5 years, whichever comes first. Prevention is much better than cure when it comes to the timing belt, so call your Renault dealer today to find out more.